fodder is quickly placed on the right spot using a tractor. AB robots can be used to complete a large number of repetitive manufacturing tasks. Once a mesh is finished, this machine on the sides yellow buffs like the one being created are used for buffing and polishing. A laser cutting machine is often used in engineering to precisely cut components of machine. Lead is a soft metal that you can cut easily, making it look Play-Doh when cut with a powerful machine. After painting the whole pan, a lathe turns it to create perfect circles on the bottom. Iron is a solid material that provides machine with a superior strength. When cutting glass, water helps keep the grinding stone clean and cool. If it weren't for water, the spot being ground would get hotter than other areas, causing stress cracks. Harvesting is the process of gathering a ripe crop from the fields. After ripening the field of peanuts, a conveyor belt loads them into a trailer. The roughing operation in machining is primarily used to remove the bulk material and to shape the workpiece towards the approximately finished from. EBC Brakes produce the largest range of brake pads and brake discs in the world, with over 5,000 part numbers for every moving vehicle. To save time and effort, this worker uses a chain to keep the gate just half open combined with a low speed. The material gets spread evenly on the road in seconds. Sidewalk edges are painted using a very precise spray gun. With time and use, grouting between tiles accumulated dirt, which gives them a black look. Of pressure washing machines remove all the filth, giving it back a white color. When a lid is placed on the can, a seaming head engages the lid from above, while a seaming roller to the side curls the edge of the lid on the edge of the can body. A paper cutter is a tool designed to cut many paper sheets, to issue a document with a straight line in one swift slice. The unique cutting precision is obtained by the sturdy construction and the direct measurement. Using a lathe. This small piece of metal is cut into circular pieces. They are going to be used to craft rings. These types of machines allow a quicker and more precise cut with small items. Most professional carpet cleaning services use a combination of detergents and steam to deep clean carpet and recommend at least once per year. Pressure washing uses high-pressure water spray to remove dirt from surfaces and objects. The volume of a mechanical pressure washer is expressed in gallons or liters per minute.